Hello everyone, let's prove a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we all know this formula, right? But in this lecture we are going to see how to prove it. Now for this we need to know two things. First thing is that what is area of a square? Now if a square is like this, which having all sides are equal to x, so what will be the area of this square? Okay, so this is x square. Okay, the area of a square will be x square. What is the length of the side? We have to make it square. And then what is the area of a rectangle? So if a rectangle is like this and one side of this rectangle is x, another side of this rectangle is y, then the area of that rectangle will be xy, right? X into y. You have to multiply this to length of these two sides. Okay, now get back to our main problem. So what we need to prove that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now first we assume that we have a line which length is a, okay, and then after that with I take there is another line which length is b. Good. Now what will be the total length of this together? It will be a plus b. Okay, now if I want to draw one square with having this a plus b, one length of the side, then how it will look like? It will look like this. Okay, so far so good. Now this length will be sure a plus b, right? This will be my a plus b and this will be again a plus b. Okay, now what will be the area of this square? Simple, we know this will be my a plus b whole square, because length of one side or each side is a plus b. Now if I want to make a square with having this length of one side, length of a, then how it will look like? It will surely look like this. Okay, and then so this will be my a, this is a, and this is also a, right? Now if you just extend this up to this and extend this line up to this, now what is actually this length? As total is a plus b and this is a, so this will be surely b, so this will be surely b, this length will be my b, right? And then this is also b, because same thing is happening here. Total up to this, it will be a, and then rest will be my b. Okay, now what will be the area of this section? Sorry, this section, it will be surely a square. Okay, now what will be the area of this section? It will be surely b square, right? Okay, because this length is my b, as we know this is b, so this will be b, so this will be b, and this we all know b, so total is a square having the sides are length equal to b, so that area will be, if you see, it will be my b. Now what will be the area of this section? This means this one. So one side is a, another side is b, so total will be ab for sure. And now what will be the area of this section? Same again, one side is a, another side is b, so total will be, the area will be ab. Now just see what you have just done. Total area, which was a plus b whole square, we have divided it into 4 parts. One part is this one, another part is this one, let me change the color. This one, another plus is this one, third, and this is my fourth part. And then we can easily write that now a plus b whole square, that is the total area of that square, is equal to a square, that is my first section, plus b square, which is this second section, plus ab, which is my third section, right? And plus again AB, which is the fourth section. So we can rearrange this and we can get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have proved that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, thank you for listening. If you like this type of videos, you can check our other videos also, and also if you like, you can subscribe our channels. Thank you.